So these are the best codes for driving Empire. I'm just gonna cut straight into it. I won't give you a long detailed intro. So this is how you can do it. This is how I find my codes. Well, what I do is I type the name of the game and then I put codes at the end. As you can see, there is already a link at the top of the screen, which when we tap on it, we can scroll down, and here are the new working Driving Empire codes. So you can use NASCAR 100M for 200 trophies, Customization 2025 for 10 tuning kits, 1 mil cash gives you, well, 1 mil cash, Zoom gives you a Fairway Zoomer cash, 200k members gives you 50k, New Year 2025 gives you 75, and 1 million likes gives you an exclusive license plate. So you better use these codes right now before they expire, like the rest of these codes right here. These were all working codes, but they have now expired due to, being from past updates, so they won't work anymore. But yeah, use these codes right now on the screen so that you can use them before they expire. And here are all of their rewards when you use them. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.